You're watching Voice of the Hills.
West Karbiang long amri ahawar non malam anong ajutang social worker Imlang Lumphui pherangke amei kangni. Pherangke amei kangni along alangli Karbiang long Autonomous Council CM tuliram long hang lapen tim Karbiang long lapen MP Horin Singh Bay lapen EM Omar Singh Tiso lapen EM Khon Singh Rongpi alang tempan kacuru pedo. Hiram tangar ni Karbiang long Autonomous Council pen umpanai blok PSC apan tong sekot pen akhirat kipi tega potame alang di pherangke yang no kacuru pon pado.
Good evening, my dear friends from the media fraternity and the crew of the press. I express my warm welcome to this press conference. Friends, as you know that the Amrei constituency has been long suffering from lack of healthcare, roads and other facilities due to apathy of the local representative of this constituency to the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. We, the people of Amri, have been deprived of the most important needs of the hour, that is the modern healthcare facility for several years now. It is a known fact that we have only a one block primary healthcare center at Umpanai, which has been rendering great service to the people of Amri, Chentong, Tuaramla. However, it is a fact that despite all the effort of the respected healthcare worker at Umpanai PSC, they have not been able to meet the needs of the people of the large area of in West Karbi Anglong. With the minimum whatever is available, doctor, nurses and other support staff have done a commendable job during the last few years in gathering the basic healthcare needs of our area. Recently, during our visit to the Umpanai BSc, we have witnessed it has no ambulance, no proper beds for the patients, adequate medicines, X-ray, computer, printer, and above all, adequate space and building. In a short, the Umpanai PSC is their need of overall upliftment. In the view of this deplorable condition of our healthcare facility, we as a conscious citizen of this country informed and requested our Honorable CM Sir Tuliram Ronghang to look on the matter and requested for appropriate step regard. We also conveyed this concern to our Honorable EM Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Sir Omar Singh Tisu. Today, we the people of Amri are very happy to hear that Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council has taken all the steps to upgrade the Umpanai PSC with the better equipments and building and allocated a fund rupees 5 crore for the immediate implementation of the project. We are indeed delighted and join our voice together to convey our sincere thanks to our beloved leader and the Chief Minister of Assam, Dr. Hemanta Biswa Sarma, who have been taking keen interest for the overall development of West Karbi Anglong, and our beloved leader Sri Tuliram Ronghang and Team Karbi Anglong in the implementation of Umpanai BSc upgradation project. We are grateful to our Honorable MP Sri Horan Singh Bay, Sri Khon Singh Rongbi, Honorable EM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. We express our special thanks to the people leader Sir Omar Singh Tisu, Honorable EM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, for his untiring effort for the service of Amri people. He has greatly contributed for getting the project sanctioned swiftly. We sincerely believe that successful implementation of this project will bring hope and happiness to the people of Amri, Chentong, Dwaramla constituency and neighboring area who are mainly dependent on the Umpanai PSC for their primary health needs. We hope that one day in near future, we the people will have minimum 100 bedded civil hospital with ICU beds, modern operation theater, and all modern medical equipment for diagnosis. I thank all the friends from media person for supporting the cause and hope for your active cooperation and involvement in coming days for making the life of Amri people a better and prosperous one. I thank you all once again for patiently listening to the press briefing. Thank you.